He was a bold man that first ate an oyster. Laws are like cobwebs, which may catch small flies, but let wasps and hornets break through. To be angry is to take revenge on oneself. For the mistakes of others a wife should always be a reasonable and agreeable companion. Because she cannot always be young, the life lies and the truth limps after it. Live every day as your last. Because one of these days it will be. It is a miserable thing to live in suspense. It is the life of the spider. When the great genius appears in the world, you may know him by this sign, that the dunces are all in confederacy against him. When the great genius appears in the world, you may know him by this sign, that the dunces are all in confederacy against him. Good manners is the art of making people comfortable. Whoever makes the fewest people uncomfortable has the best manners. Entertainment is the happiness of those who cannot think. The best doctors in the world are Dr. Diet, Dr. Quiet and Dr. Merriman. No wise man ever wished to be younger. Books are the children of the brain. Vision is the art of seeing things invisible. Elephants are always depicted smaller than life size, and a flea is always depicted more. Poor nations are hungry and rich nations are proud, and pride and hunger. And rich nations are proud, and pride and hunger will never be at variance. God grant you live all the days of your life. A tavern is a place where madness is sold in bottles. The reason there are so few happy marriages is because young women spend their time making nets, not making cages. Proper words in proper places make the true definition of style. There is nothing permanent in this world except impermanence. We are happy when our wit is laughed at, but not our stupidity. There is no such absurdity that some or other philosophers would not defend as truth. There are few, very few, that will own themselves in a mistake. It is useless to attempt to reason a man out of a thing he was never reasoned into. An argument is a conversation of the worst sort. The stoical scheme of supplying our wants by whopping off our desires is like cutting off our feet when we wash shoes. I never wonder to see men wicked, but I often wonder to see them not ashamed. Laws are best explained, interpreted, and applied by those whose interests and abilities lie in perverting, confounding,